Come with me and get my strawberry Dubai chocolates. Oh, ito na talaga, bro. Like, I've been seeing it online, tapos I'm so like, naglalaway ako. It's the moment, I'm gonna taste it na. Thank you sa nagpalaman sa akin to where to get it, you know. Thank you so much! Bro, I got it. I cannot wait. Come on, guys. We got our syrup. Teka lang, hirap mag-mix. Naglalaway na ako eh. Oh, that's a good chunk, no? I ate that. Yep. Life is good. Thank you sa Thank you sa sa sobrang sarap. I don't even know how to talk. Thank you sa nagpa-know sa akin where to buy this. Love you.